Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are new to Mac, so this video is for you guys. I will show you step by step the basic tutorial for the learners and the beginners. So let's start the process. So first of all, let's confirm the Mac you have purchased. What is the configuration of that Mac? You just need to go to this logo and click on about this Mac. Once you click on about this Mac, you will see all the details about your Mac, the operating system it has, the serial number it has, SSD it has, and the RAM it has. Also, you can open the system options, system settings, and once you open the system setting, you can change many of options there. You just need to click on general option, and from here you can also look for the about software updates, if any you need to do for that. Also, you can go to the storage, how much storage you have, which are taking more space inside your Mac. You can see detail one by one. Okay, open them, and you can even delete them as well from here if those are taking more space on your Mac. Also guys, you can look for the application here, documents you have, all the details you can look here, system data, Mac OS, how much is it taking, documents you have, music creation. You can also set up your Mac to auto delete files and folder from the bin after 30 days. You can also set up that. Just go back, my language and region you can also check from here, whichever language, and you can change it from here as well. Date and time you can also change from here. See, the time format you can set on your Mac, which will be showing up here. The Wi-Fi icons, battery icons, and the quick access, you can look for these options. The display, sound, music, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, and many more. Also, when we come back, you can look for your warranty, the warranty status you have. You can sign in with your Apple ID. If you want to share your screen or something else on file sharing and all, you can turn on these options. And let's come back to restart and force quit any application on the Mac. So you just need to click on this option, logo key, and then click on restart, shutdown, lock screen, log out, sleep, force quit. In order to force any quit if that is not responding, so you just need to click on. You can also press command plus Q button. You will see opened application here. If you want to force quit it, the Google I have opened here, you can see here. So if I want to close this, just you need to force quit and confirm it, and you are good to go. You should able to force the application on your Mac. Also, if you want to dock the application here, whichever you use most of the application, you just need to click on launchpad, and once you click on launchpad, you just need to drag and drop the application here like this. It is already there. Let's try with new. So you can see here it has docked here. Also, let me open the taskbar setting on the Mac. You need to just click on this option, and you can also automatically hide the dock. You can turn it stable, the task manager on the Mac. If you want to automatically hide it, you can click on this option, and the taskbar will be automatically hidden. Now you should able to get the more space on your Mac. And if you want to change it at default, you can look for these options. You can toggle many options from there as well. So these are all the basic settings. You can browse for that. Wallpaper, if you want to change the wallpaper on your Mac, you just need to select the dynamic wallpaper, landscape. These all the options are, you can look for them, pictures and all. Let's say if I want to change it from this, So it will take some time. You can see here it is loading up. You see it has changed now. Also you can look for the resolution it has, that this is the default view. If you want to make it more space, it will compress it. You can see here. Now this is the larger text. Change the resolution, you can see here, but this is the default view. You can look for these options as well. Privacy and security, these are the options where the location, contacts, calendar, reminder, photos, Bluetooth, microphone access, camera access, all the options you can look for this site. The app, allow apps to be downloaded, extensions and all the things. Wallpaper is screensaver. You can also set up your screen, lock the screen setting, and you can look for these options. Start saving time, inactive. Likewise in the Windows inactive mode, touchpad ID, you can also set up your fingerprint on your Mac touchpad ID. You can click on add and put the password, place your finger on it, complete the process, and then you should able to load that. Also go to users and groups. You can add another user on your Mac. Just provide the system administrator password, and you can add the new user to the Mac. Confirm the username, account name, required password, password hint, verify it, and create a new user for other. And permissions, I should show you the permission as well. You can see this user is admin, this user is also admin, and another user if you want to make it, and that will be the standard user. If you want to change its the rights, you can just click on this options, and then you can click on this option, untick this option, then hit OK, and now this user has changed to user. It means that this user not able to access the system administrator rights, and just click on this option, and now it says now this user has become the admin user. So likewise you can also automatically log in as is off, but you can log in whichever user is restarted the laptop, that will be automatically logged in. Trackpad and settings, you can look for these options. Point to click, scroll, zoom, tracking speed is there, click on there. These are the printer settings. You can add the printer inside your network. Default, the IP and name, you can add them. And in order to quit the app or cross the ad, you can see the cross icon here. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth options, networks, notification, you can manage the notification as well. As you can see here, let's open the Google Chrome, and if you want to enable the notification, you can turn this on, and you should able to play the sound for notification. All the options you can do here. Likewise you can do with any other apps inside your system. Show the previews when unlocked. You can also choose this option, never or always. Sound, you can minimize the sound, maximize the sound from here, control the sound. The output, which is the current output, input, which is the current headphone or inside your system. You can choose between them, you can see here. And in the download and other section, open the Finder, and then you will see download options here, documents, desktop, recent, and the exe should be DMG inside the Apple, not the exe. You can see here. And if you want to search any application like you do in the Windows on the taskbar, so you can press command plus space button and you can look for these options like this. See, also if you want to open the Google, command plus space, Google Chrome will be coming up like this. You don't need to go anything here, just need to press command plus space button. Also you can go to this option in order to search that. If you are unable to perform the command plus space, you can go to search option and then you can look for the any application inside your Mac. Like if you want to open the Finder, you can also open it. And if you want to open anything on it, system settings, you can open that. And let's say if you want to look its properties and the space, how many space it has, you just need to press and then click on this option and you should able to get all the information, get all. Also in the shortcut you just need to select that options and press command plus I button and you should able to get all the information of that folder where it has created the dimensions, colors, and read and write permissions it has, how many space it has, 52 KB, when it is modified, when it is created, and all the other information inside our Mac. And if you want to delete it, okay, you want to delete it, so you can press command plus delete button or you can directly drag it like this to the bin here like this. And if you want to restore it from the bin, like in the Windows in the recycle bin, you just need to select that option and drag it like this and you should able to restore that application and folder and anything which you have put on the bin. So I hope guys this is the basic tutorial. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.